Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zulfani Alisa Fauzia from AK3F Accounting Study Program from Polytechnic of Semarang State. And now I will present my final project proposal with the title Optimization Management of Raw Material Inventory at CVS Agung Semarang in 2021. So the first one is background. Every industrial company definitely needs raw material in their production activities. Therefore, company must have raw material inventory so not to hamper production activity, cause stock out of raw materials. CVS Agung is a printing company in Semarang that was established since 1970. In CVS Agung production activity use various raw material, but there is no regularity in purchase of raw materials that makes an inventory of raw materials are stored too much. The cost of inventory becomes bigger. Inventory management is needed by CVS Agung in determining the number of economical orders and minimal cost, so that the accuracy in achieving production accuracy and optimal cost saving. This can be achieved by analyzing the management of the economic order quantity or EOQ model. Next is problem statement. Based on the background of the problem, in this final project research, the problems to be studied are: the first one is how is calculating of the cost of raw material inventory applied by CVS Agung. The second is how to determine the economical number of orders using the EOQ method so that the raw material inventory can optimally meet the production process at CVS Agung. And the third is there a difference in the total cost incurred in managing raw material using the EOQ method with inventory management used by CVS Agung? And then research objective. The research objective to be achieved in writing this final project are: the first one, determine the amount of raw material inventory costs applied by CVS Agung. The second is determine the number of orders that are economical for raw materials at CVS Agung using by the economic order quantity method so that the inventory of raw material can meet the production process optimally. The last is compare whether management using the EOQ method so can save inventory costs when compared to inventory calculation used by CVS Agung. Next is about benefits of research. The benefits of writing this final project research are: to increase the knowledge and ability of research regarding the company's raw material inventory management system, which is effective and efficient by applying the EOQ or economic order quantity method. The second is to share additional reference for further researchers who will carry out similar research related to raw material inventory management. The third is to provide input as a consideration for the company regarding the company's raw material inventory management system. Next is literature review. There are 11 topics that I will explain for the final project. The first one is definition of inventory, kind of inventory, the function of inventory, inventory management, the purpose of inventory management, inventory costs, economic order quantity model, safety stock, lead time, reorder point, and the last, total inventory cost. Next, research method. The first, data classification. Data classification consists of based on source of data and based on characteristic of data. Based on source of data, they are primary data and secondary data, and for characteristic of data, they are qualitative data and quantitative data. And then collecting data method, they are consist of interview and literature study. And then rating technique method, they are descriptive and exposition. And the last data analysis method, there is comparative method. The next is rating system. For chapter 1 or introduction, this chapter discusses the background of the problem formulation, objectives and benefit of the research and rating system. For the chapter 2, there is review of literature. There are 11 topics as I explained before. And chapter 3, research method. This chapter discusses the meaning of research methods, data needed, data classification, data collection method, rating method, and data analysis method. For the chapter 4, there is result and discussion. This chapter presents an overview of the company, data analysis, and result of inventory management calculation using the EOH model, and then calculation of order frequency, calculation of safety stock, calculation of reorder point, and calculation of total inventory cost calculation, and comparison of inventory management model EOH with inventory management at CVS Agung. And the last is chapter 5. There is closing. This chapter presents the conclusion from the description in the discussion of the final project as well as suggestions that can be input for the parties concerned. The last is schedule of activity. This research will be carried out for 3 months starting from April to June 2022. And this picture is the schedule for the research activity, and they are start from research permit application until print the final project. Okay, that's all my explanation. I'm sorry if there are so many mistakes in my explanation. Thanks for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.